Future Innovations and Technologies Episode 3. In this episode we discuss the upcoming innovations and technologies of the week. 1. AI-powered lip-reading glasses. To help the deaf people. 2. France. To pay for tech repairs. 3. New. Interactive map of the universe. 4. How to spend cash to save money. These AI-powered glasses let deaf people to read conversation. They transcribe speech in real time and display it too. The wearer has subtitles right in front of their eyes. User can even rewind conversations or ask the system to recall details from previous chats. This technology is called XRAI Glass.
Imagine Alexa for your eyes. But the difference is that the information that it's retrieving, the questions that you're asking of the data are your own conversations. For example, hey X-Ray, remind me what my wife told me to buy from the shops yesterday. Or hey X-Ray, tell me what the lecturer was talking about today when we were talking about protons. Or hey X-Ray, tell me what the doctor said I needed to do tomorrow morning. That will work in all kinds of life. We think of, immigration issues where people are having to deal with people who speak different languages or people in hospitals and having to rely on translators coming in. Instantly, that resolves that issue.
France will pay for your phone and laptop repairs. Government will contribute €45 towards fixing your broken laptop, €25 towards a mobile phone repair, and it will pay €15 towards fixing your vacuum cleaner. 30 household items will be eligible for the grant at first. More items will be eligible next year, from deep fat fryers to printers. This scheme aims to cut down on electronics waste and promote the circular economy. €410 million for grants towards repair will be available until 2027. Raised through attacks on new goods manufacturers over the past 2 years, the world has an electronic waste problem. 5.3 billion mobile phones will become waste this year. That's a third of the 16 billion mobiles worldwide. This interactive map lets you scroll across the universe. It shows the position and color of 200,000 galaxies, each of which contains billions of stars and planets.